Press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from Ghazi Owais.
Top 5 ways to make money online. Fiverr. It's good to have some income which is not coming from your regular job. These days, earning from online services has become relatively easy. One of the websites that offer online income is Fiverr. These websites normally sell services such as content writing, photo editing, and video editing. So you can put your gigs on such topics and go full money. You may get your first order immediately on the day you put your gig. Fiverr is a global online marketplace offering tasks and services beginning at a cost of $5 per job performed, from which it gets its name. The site is primarily used by freelancers who use Fiverr to offer services to customers worldwide. To see the earnings, you have to go to dashboard, then to the selling, and then to the earnings. Some amount of commission is kept by the Fiverr website. As you can see in my dashboard that I received only $24 for the gigs of $30. That means $6 has been deducted for the website. But that's okay. You will be earning pretty well from this website. Currently, Fiverr lists more than 3 million services on the site that start at $5. On Fiverr, you can earn $4 per gig. Basically, a gig costs $5, but $1 is charged by Fiverr for providing the platform to make money. Fiverr is a home of freelancers. You can go on earning as you complete the client requests. Money from Fiverr can be withdrawn from bank account directly via Payoneer or your PayPal account. It's all secure. These are the gigs, that is services you post on Fiverr website. Please do subscribe my YouTube channel. It means a lot. YouTube channel. As everyone knows, YouTube is all about videos. So before starting a channel, you need to know the type of video you will be posting. Example, comedy, entertainment, dance, pranks, education, style, etc. The money will not happen on the first day of starting your YouTube channel. You need to know the tips and some information on how to grow your YouTube channel, like how to rank your YouTube videos higher than others, how to set effective thumbnails, tags, title, etc. You have to be patient on YouTube. You earn money on YouTube by connecting your YouTube account to AdSense. Please do subscribe my YouTube channel. It means a lot. For beginners, you should not think about making money at first. Your priority should be about making a good content and marketize and promote your channel. Number 3. Website or blog. You can definitely earn through website and blogging by posting contents that may get very much good traffic. Yes, it does test your patience. Steps involved for earning through websites. Number 1. Create a website through coding or WordPress. Secondly, find a market to generate the most traffic and thus the most revenue. Be selective in your target market. Third, select a domain. Fourth, add content on website. Fifth, connect with AdSense and put ads on your website. Sixth, start advertising and promotion. You can create social profiles on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, etc. and promote and marketize your website or blog. You can see the ads here. If someone clicks this ad, you will be paid. Do not click your own ads or tell your friends to click. Your AdSense account will be banned straight away. Obviously, you can't mess with the #1 company of the world. Methods to put ads on your website. Go on AdSense, then sign up. Go to the menu, then My Ads, then to Ads Units. Then go to New Ads Unit and copy the Ads Unit code and paste on your website. Crypto coin investment. Cryptocurrency is the new future. Buy a cryptocurrency. Your first option is to just buy coins. There are different exchanges that will allow you to buy coins and keep in your wallet. CoinMarketCap.com will help you to compare the coins trading with graphs, so to make you understand, learn and choose the best cryptocurrency to buy. You pay the market rate for the coin and then hold on to it until you are ready to sell. The hope, of course, is that the price goes up. Online survey. This is the least priority to me to make money online. This is a slow process and not that much convenient than the others on the list. Still, you can give it a try and make some money or coupons to reward you on e-commerce website. Swagbucks.com is one of the survey websites that will help you to earn gift cards through surveys. By completing survey, you will get gift cards for e-commerce websites like Flipkart and Amazon. So that's it for this video. Hope you liked it. If you find it informative, do share this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.